Okay, first let's plug a power inside. Make sure it's on DC 12 volt port. Okay. I'm waiting for a few seconds. We're now 72. Room humidity. And this meter is also 72 humidity. Okay. And you want to change it to the F. Push this button. Then you want to change the preset 70%. That's from factory. So if you, let's say you want to your humidor be 65, so you hold it and until the flush, then release. Then you push it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push this one here, so it's 75 right now. So you push it again. So now fan will stop until 75. It will keep running until reach 75. Fan will stop. Okay. And let's say calibrate. Then this one's a 41. Right now in here it's a 40. You want to match the 41, so you push and hold more, then go up, then release. So 71. Now jump to 72. Push again, up. You can also turn down, so you hold in here, push down. So that gives the option to match your hygrometer. Okay, so now it's 72. Because each hygrometer that have like a plus minus 3 to 5%. So this way you can easy to match, recalibrate. Okay, that's it. And also make sure the water till this water line, so the air can go passing through the hole, come from this hole, or from here to here, so they make a circulation. Do not passing through this line, so they have some room.